Hello there everyone. Here is how to fix the HDR colors on non-OLED screens. The only thing that you need to do is to fix that problem is to go to setting, then go to display, then you need to switch HDR off. How this can fix the game HDR if you switch it off? I will tell you how. When you turn HDR on in the Windows and then turn it again in the game, the screen will read the HDR twice. That's what will cause the washout colors. So as you can see now, my HDR is off. Okay? That's what the screen is reading. So I'm gonna choose a game, and it will be Resident Evil 2 because this game is the most game that people are crying about. Okay. Now we will see. You will see the screen will turn it. Will turn the HDR on because the game setting. As you can see now, the HDR is on. Even if you want to check it on your own screen, you will see the HDR has turned on by itself. This will make the colors look perfect, and the black and the white color will look perfect because the HDR now can be read from the game directly, not from Windows and then read it again from the game. This problem is very common. Most people doesn't recognize why the colors are washed out. You will see it good in PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, but you won't see it good in PC. The reason is most people are turn it on twice in the display setting and also in the game. As you can see now, I have a perfect colors, same as you can see it on PlayStation 5. You can see no washout colors. Maybe the phone doesn't give a perfect screen, but you can see that there is no washout in the game. If you like the content, please give me a like and give me a comment. Thank you.